The other day I did a review of Etta Mae Hartwell, and I really liked what she was putting down. Soulful, bluesy, really, really cool. And so this is another one by her. I got my screen all messed up. Oh, there it is. There we go. Etta Mae Hartwell, I don't make a sound. Madam, I would argue that. Yes, you do, and a very nice sound it is indeed. Let's jump into this, but before we do, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, ring bell, all that kind of fun stuff. You know the routine. And thank you for listening, my friends. Truly, thank you for listening. Here we go. Etta Mae Hartwell, I don't make a sound? Yeah, I think evidence to the contrary.
I sit by the window, same chair every day, peeling walls and dusty light. I fade the same way. I don't talk much. What's left to say?
Well, I like her voice.
Even my shadow don't wanna stay. They tell me let go. He's gone, he's done. But they don't know how I breathe with no sun. He was the warmth I never deserved. Now I curl up in echoes I never deserved. I don't make a sound, but I'm screaming inside. Every heartbeat's a whisper that I'm barely alive. I don't want tomorrow. It never brings him back round. I'm not crying, but I'm breaking down. The floorboards know where I walk at night. I talk to myself to fill the quiet. One cup, one plate, that's all I need. There's no hunger in me, just this need to bleed. I read old text like scripture worn. I live in a house that feels stillborn. Hope I buried her next to my pride, and I visit the grave every night. I don't make a sound, but I'm screaming inside. Every heartbeat's a whisper that I'm barely alive. I don't want tomorrow. It never brings him back around. I'm not crying, but I'm breaking down. but I scream every night.
All right, all right. I'm not. I don't know. That almost looked like AI to me. She exists only in the other world. Yeah. Yeah, see, this is an extremely good quality AI. Hartwell tells a story, quite birthday, hidden strength. Reading letters she sent. Yeah, I think we've been sold a bill of goods here. That just looked too real. YouTube channel of Etta Mae. Okay, subscribe, listen, Spotify. Dive into the soulful world, blah, blah, blah. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I hate this. I really do. This, looks like there's a lot of content here out by this singer. Let's go look here. What's popular? Left with the Rain. I don't know, friends. Is it live or is it Memorex? The song sounded nice, but it just seemed a little too perfect. So I'm going to post this just to call it out for what it is, but I won't be doing any more of her reviews unless I can verify that she's in fact the person. First one we listened to, she sounded pretty good, but this one, this seems like it was too perfect, all AI. Damn, I hate this fraud. Fraud!